Today we'll be comparing OXO Brew 8 cup coffee maker stainless steel versus OXO Brew 12 cup coffee maker with podless single serve function. Be sure to watch to the end and I will tell you which is better. Links to all the products are in the description. Brewing capacity 12 cup is better. Brew types is tie. Brew range control is tie. Single serve function 12 cups better. Water reservoir 12 cups better. Programmable features 12 cups better. Cup size compatibility 12 cups better. Pour compatibility 12 cups better. Ease of cleaning is tie. Brew speed 8 cups better. Aftershock of 12 cups better. Noise level is tie. Price 8 cups is better. Special features 12 cups better. Dimensions 8 cup is better. If you want to get the most powerful, durable device that will really taste good making coffee, then the best choice will be the OXO Brew 12 cup coffee maker with podless single serve function. The link to buy this in the video description.